Another real short video. Something's not right. The front and back is working, but the up and down, it's either that gearbox is messed up or froze up or something. Stops that way. When it goes, that's up, and this is down, and then it stops. And the mechanism not really moving. So it should go all the way, maybe to that stop there or something like that. It's got another stop here, adjustable, I guess, but it's locked up. So either I have to take the gearbox off and see what's going on in here, or disconnect it and see if I can manually make it go up and down, make all the scissor mechanism work. But that's not functioning. The front and back is probably okay. Got the new wires spliced in place. So okay, that's it.